You are not going to believe what just came out with Dogecoin. We have some very exciting news, very differing opinions on what is going on. On the one hand, we had a CEO of Digital Currency Group, which is a venture capital company focused on digital currency, who came out and said that Dogecoin is headed to below a $1 billion market cap, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. I don't think we're going to see Dogecoin go below a $1 billion market cap. It really, if not ever, unless something very dramatic happens in the crypto space, like it completely just falls apart. And on the other hand, we have another CEO named Jenny Ta, who is the CEO of CoinLink.com, who came out and said that Dogecoin is going to go to a $1 trillion market cap. Reaching $1 per coin is inevitable, she said. And ultimately, they think that it could even surpass Bitcoin. So we got very differing views on what is going on, just opposite ends of the spectrum. And actually, Dogecoin's price has been stabilizing lately. There's a lot of exciting news that's come out. So in today's video, we're going to break down everything going on, go over both of these CEOs' opinions, where I stand on this, and what I think about Dogecoin moving forward. So make sure to stick around until the end. But if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel. If you're part of the Dogecoin community, let me know in the comments down below by either liking or commenting just Doge fam. But anyways, right now, Dogecoin, according to the CEO of Digital Currency Group, is headed to below a $1 billion market cap. According to, his name is Barry Silbert. He said this on Twitter the other day. He is the CEO of Digital Currency Group, which is a venture capital company focused specifically on digital currency, so specifically on cryptos, and its subsidiaries include Grayscale Investments and CoinDesk. So he is a pretty big name in the crypto space, considering one of its subsidiaries are CoinDesk, which is one of the major crypto platforms out there. And on Twitter the other day, there was a little bit of a conversation about Dogecoin, and he said, yeah, Doge still has a $37 billion market cap. That will be the tell. He said, ideally, he thinks Dogecoin is going back to sub $1 billion market cap, which would put its price about 1/30th of where it is right now. So it would put it less than 1 penny per coin again, and I don't think this is happening anytime soon. But what he explained was that right now, Dogecoin is the ultimate momentum gamble trade. He said that once the momentum is gone in the crypto space, once we see things start to level off, the current holders of the altcoin will move to other coins and learn that there are many other and better 10x opportunities out there. But one thing he is forgetting is that many people who have owned Dogecoin have held it for a very long time. They've been part of this community for years, and they're not going to sell it just because of a recent drop-off or, a recent run-up they had. People own Dogecoin because they like Dogecoin. They want to be part of the movement, want to be part of the community, and most people who are in the crypto world, if you ask a lot of people, they own at least some Dogecoin. They may not own a lot, but many people who own it are like, it's fun, I like it, I want to be part of the movement, and I'm not going to sell it. So that's what's going on right now. He said, nevertheless, the cryptocurrency investor explained that Dogecoin will certainly not go away due to its passionate community, and he's truly excited to see what the meme coin can become over time, but he does think it's going to go to less than 1 penny per coin. What is going on with this? Like, do you guys believe this? What do I think? Well, right now, Dogecoin has actually stabilized. It has really stabilized lately. We've seen it forming a strong support at about 30 cents per coin. And over the last, let's say, month and a half, we have not seen it drop below that 30 cents per coin range, which is a really big deal. Back in April 21st to about April 26th, we saw it drop a little bit below 30 cents per coin. But since then, we have really started to form a strong support at that 30 cents per coin range, putting a market cap right around that $40 billion. And that means that right now, it is holding steady at the 7th position in terms of all cryptos out there. It is really far ahead of number 8 and number 9. It's about double the market cap of number 8, which is USD coin, USDC, and about double as well ahead of Polkadot. And on the other hand, we're also seeing Jenny Ta, who is another CEO, not of CoinDesk, which is one of the major names, but she's the CEO of CoinLink.com, and she shared her thought about Dogecoin as well. She basically said that Dogecoin right now going from a penny to 75 cents per coin was a massive run. Like, that was very hard to do, 75x from where it was. But now she explained how it's really broken into mainstream crypto. Elon Musk has been pushing about it for years. He's been part of it really since 2019, at least talking about it. And with all of the attention it's gotten in the news, she said making the transition, even though it's come back about 50-60% from all-time highs from 75 cents per coin, even making the transition from where it is now to $1 per coin is much easier than what happened from going to a penny or less than a penny all the way up to 75 cents per coin. Because now, when it was back at a penny, not as many people were talking about it. The community was much smaller. Still a very strong community, but it was much smaller. And now she explains how with the recent run-up we've had, we have more people talking about it. We have Elon Musk talking with Dogecoin developers to try and make it more efficient, more secure, and make the network even better than it already is, and trying to turn it from being created as a meme into something that can actually work. So she explains how she thinks $1 is inevitable, it's imminent, and ultimately she thinks it can reach a $1 trillion market cap down the road, which would put it at about $7 or $8 per coin. And this is really because of a couple different reasons. So first of all, what I think right now, Dogecoin's price is sitting at that 30 cents per coin range. It is stabilized, like we said, 30 to 35 cents per coin range. And ultimately what we're seeing is many people who have owned Dogecoin have owned it long term. We've gone over this, but the people who have recently gotten in, many of these people have gotten into Dogecoin because it's simply fun and they like the idea of it. They're not pouring their life savings into it, but they do like the idea of owning it, being part of the movement, and seeing what can happen with Dogecoin in the future. As a result of this, the community has grown exponentially over the last couple of months, and now many people are actually working on making Dogecoin better, making it something that could compete potentially with Bitcoin and other cryptos down the road. So moving forward, I don't think we're ever going to see it go below 1 penny, like the CEO of the venture capital firm Digital Currency Group says. I don't think we're ever going to see it go below 1 penny, $1 billion market cap, like he said. Can it drop from where it is right now? Yes, that is possible, but between Elon Musk working on it, talking with developers, he doesn't have, a hands-on role with Dogecoin, but talking with developers, he's having SpaceX already allowed, like SpaceX already is accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment. We're seeing Mark Cuban, another billionaire investor who has his company accepting Dogecoin. As we're seeing more and more companies accept it, it just makes it inevitable that it's going to be around for a long time. And because if people want to pay with it, businesses want to accept it, well then ultimately long term, they're going to make improvements to make it become a reality. And that's what we're already seeing happen. And I think that's going to continue to go on. So I don't think we're ever going to see it drop below a $1 billion market cap. I think that's really a ridiculous price target for Dogecoin. Like I said, nothing's impossible. It could happen if the entire crypto market just completely tanks and some sort of scandal or something comes out with Dogecoin. But other than that, I don't think that's going to happen because Dogecoin community is strong, and no matter what happens, people are sticking with it. We're seeing that because while other meme coins are going down 90%, Dogecoin is really just holding pretty strong with the rest of the crypto market. It is stabilizing at the current price levels we're seeing it at. So let me know what you guys think, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next episode.